Okay, getting the new stud in that I broke off, and I got John here helping me some, a lot actually. Okay, so main thing is we had to get the car jacked up and sturdy, and then we need to remove the two bolts. Sorry for the low lighting, it's getting dark. We had to remove two bolts on this part, and then another two to pull this part off where the brakes are. And then we were able to turn the wheel so we could get that off better with the breaker bar. And then from there we could get the old one out and got the new one started. Use some washers, put the nut on backwards so you have the flat side in towards the washers, and then just gently went by hand, just by hand, until it gradually pulled in, and then it came to a stopping point, and now it's all in. Okay, so we're going to put it back together, starting with this part and two bolts that come in from the back side right here, right there, these two bolts. And then after that, then we'll grab the other part that controls the brakes, and that bolts in with two right here. I think these were 14s, and then this is bigger. And I did put some lubricant on the last two because they seem to be really tight, but between the lubricant and the breaker bar, then they came off pretty easy. So we're good to go. We're ready to put it all back together, and we should be good. Let the car down, put the wheel on, let the car down, and lesson learned, I should have used the impact wrench because I'm pretty sure I would not have broke it. These were on very hard, but I think with the impact screw gun, I would have, or the impact gun, I would have got them off without breaking it. But okay, we learned another lesson. I know how to get to the brakes now, and it turns out they're very good. Looks like they're in good shape. We have lots of brake pad on there, so we're good there. Okay, let's get it back together. On a side note, I'm also charging the battery too. I'd kept the hatch back up too many days for too long, and it basically put the battery down to nothing. So let's get this back together. Call it a night.